Howdy folks. So get excited, new version of DNA Center is available. So if you're a DNA customer, you can go and refresh your software settings. You will see a new version which is 2353 is available to download and install, and it is unloading a lot of new feature. But in this video, I'm not going to show you how to upgrade or how to install new packages, but I'm going to introduce you to a very new or interesting feature, which is picking up a release based on your requirement. So you can see there is a download button. Once you click that, it is going to uh, run some pre-checks so that it is making sure that you have the external connectivity, certificate validation, and all those things. So you are good to go ahead and start the download of the software, right? But this we have been doing earlier also. So what is new? Looking for other releases, click here. Once you click that, you will see that there is a flexibility to choose your target release version. This is something new. This was not there before in earlier releases. Now you can actually go ahead and choose the releases you want to go to. So not just the latest one, but uh, before that as well. So for here in this example, I'm running 2335, and I have flexibility to choose or go to 2336, 2337, and 2353, right? So I can go either any of these. I selected go to 2353 because that's the latest one, and I want to go there and get advantage of all the new features. But for some reason you want to go to some other releases. Now there is a flexibility that you can select and go to that release. Earlier the challenge was it was always the repo was always pointing to the latest and greatest release. All right, now once you start the download, you will see this page is now has very nice grouping of bucketing of features like assurance, automation, system, core, and individual packages are mapped to those main features, right? Like Cisco DNA Center Core, these are the features or packages which belong to this feature, and then the automation and assurance and so on. Again, when you start the download, you will see DNA Center take care of all the dependencies or order of operations, that which package to install first and so on. So very first, when you start your download or install, it will install the system base package. That's kind of like a core of the software. And once that is installed, as you can see, the first installation is main system package. When the main system package installation is complete, then it will go ahead and start installing individual packages. All right, so that's we have been doing in past as well. But key takeaway is now you have flexibility to choose the releases where you want to go. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.